And welcome to y'all better YouTube channel. We got a fucking garage. Let's go. Nah, it's actually so sick. So for the longest time, it's been this problem where the rabbit is in New Hampshire and I am in Denver, Colorado. So if you guys wonder why there hasn't been content, it's because my car is about 2,000 miles away from me on the average day. Last summer, went back for a few months, did some repairs and whatnot, rebuilt it. But then it still is in New Hampshire. So finally, me and my brother got this space here. It's not fancy, but it's gonna work. It's a garage space, be able to store the rabbit here, work on it, make videos, whatever. And this next week, or end of this week, we're driving back and freaking getting the car. So, means it's coming here, means we're gonna have more content, means we're gonna get to tune that thing in. Stoked. Alright, here's the freaking garage. Check it out. Comes with a little dog. Hello. Here we are. We got this sick workbench we got in here. Nice piece of slate to weld on so I don't mess up the workbench. Got the welding rig all set up. Got freaking Ryan back here. Check it out. Some shelving. It's gonna be a sick workspace. Rabbits should be able to fit like right in this back. We can get all the mods going. And this freaking garage door. You kidding? The other thing that's freaking dope is I got this baby going. I got this trailer frame as just a frame for 200 smackaroonies. Painted it, welded it, shortened it, put a deck on it, all in, ended up costing me $1,000, but it's just long enough to fit the rabbit. So, don't have to rent a U-Haul or any of that garbage. We're gonna drive this back to New Hampshire, pick up the rabbit, drive it back to Colorado, and now I have this trailer to take it around to events, which is freaking tight. Previously, I was borrowing my friend's double axle landscape that really didn't work well for what we're trying to do. So I'm stoked on this too. Let's go. We're gonna be so dialed. But yeah, stay freaking tuned. Got the garage lined up, got the trailer so I can snag the rabbit. Gonna get this thing out here and then I'll be able to make way more content than I have been. Super exciting. Thanks for watching, guys.